So we got to experience a ton of cool Chinese culture, and it was really amazing to see. This visit has really helped to open my eyes to the culture of China and see how the people of China live their daily lives. It's been really amazing to see everything that they do here, the food that they eat, the sights that they have, and all the cities. They're so massive and I love it. And so going back to the US, I do hope that I can come back to China and that I can share my experience in China with my fellow peers from America.
These students here are very lovely. I really like interacting with them. It's very interesting. This is my first time in China, so just experiencing a new environment, the culture, it's very, very interesting. So I would like to visit China on my own time and be able to experience things that I haven't got to experience while I've been on this trip.